Hey everyone, what's up? It's Joshua here from Alternative Brewing, and we're checking out and brewing with the new and improved ROK Manual Espresso Maker. This is the glass composite or GC upgrade from the original ROK, which is an award-winning manual coffee maker made from die-cast aluminium and is capable of brewing double shots of espresso without the need of electricity. There are two variations of the ROK GC available, and you can purchase it in either aluminium or the black powder-coated version. The ROK comes with a 49mm portafilter that holds 16 grams of coffee, and this has a detachable spout so you can split your shots into 2 cups. There's also a dosing spoon that seconds as a tamper, and a spare silicone ring too for your brew chamber. So let's get brewing with the ROK Manual Espresso Maker. Today, I've got the ROK coffee grinder, also made by them, and I'm using a Brewista kettle. And I've got my water set at 98 degrees Celsius, which is pretty much boiling. First I want to do is weigh out my dose to 15 grams, and I'm going to grind to a fine espresso grind, so about the texture of sand. Next, I need to preheat the ROK, and I do this by locking in the portafilter, placing a cup underneath, and filling the brew chamber to the top with hot water. I then slowly lift up the levers to allow the water to drain down into the cup below. Then press out the remaining water in the unit. This is a very important step to achieving a delicious espresso, as if too much heat is lost during brewing, this can have a negative impact on the taste of your espressos. So by preheating all the components, you safeguard the temperature stability during brewing. Once that's done though, you're ready to go. So with the levers in the down position, remove and dry the portafilter. Place your grounds into the filter basket and tamp down the coffee to ensure it is flat and has an even surface, with no visible cracks or divots. Then lock your portafilter in from right to left. Place the cup underneath and fill the water chamber with 65 milliliters of water, which is about an inch from the top of the piston. Then I'm going to lift the levers up to the top to allow the water to begin pre-infusing the grinds. Press down slowly until you feel a little bit of resistance from pushing any further. And it's from here I've discovered pre-infusing for at least 10 to 12 seconds gets me the best results in terms of flavor in the cup. And when you're ready to extract your espressos, lift the levers up once more and then begin to lower them steadily. And it should take around 20 seconds or so to reach the bottom of your extraction. When you apply pressures down on the levers, they're connected to the piston inside the brew chamber. And this forces the column of the hot water against your bed of coffee to create those high pressures required of espresso brewing. And this gives you control and hands-on experience with the feedback of brewing real espresso. At the bottom, hold it there for a moment or two longer to ensure the pressure is fully released through the unit. And you should end up with a dark, rich espresso with a light, thin crema on top. Now your espressos can be drunk straight, add some hot water for a long black, or paired with the Bellman stovetop steamer, and you could be enjoying flat whites, lattes and cappuccinos on the road or pretty much anywhere. In cleaning the ROK, you can rinse the whole unit underwater, but it's just as easy to take a damp cloth and wipe the frame down. Now, if there is any water left in the ROK after brewing, you want to lift the levers up again and purge out any of that remaining water. And when you remove the portafilter, you'll notice the spent coffee puck is nice and dry to tap out. And with a quick wipe of the cloth, you're good to load it up again for another shot. And this makes the workflow for the ROK really minimal, and you can be making several shots in a row fairly quickly. And that's the ROK Manual Espresso Maker for you. It's a great choice for having a reliable espresso maker that's portable and doesn't rely on electricity to brew delicious tasting espressos at the push of some levers. If you've got any questions on the ROK Manual Espresso Maker, then throw them down in the comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe so you can keep notified when we bring out videos just like this one each week. So until then, see you next time.